morning, 8:07 in the morning. I came to take care of my laundry because I need to get things done earlier today. We're going out, so let's do this. Here we have, this was what dried yesterday, this will be dried and I take tomorrow. This will go and wash, so tomorrow when I can, this will go here, this goes up, and then we keep this cycle and only need to come to the basement one time. That's true, everybody comes with a truck. Oops, I'm sorry. No, I think we're good with all the spreads. What is that?
Cherry blueberry. No parmesan.
Maybe you find in some corner. No, these dog's biscuits. The size is giant. You got it? Okay. Yes, we do. Okay, let's see if this one is better. I hope so. No? Keep trying. Let's put together. Amazing, but this Dyson was exactly the same price than the other vacuum. Maybe this works better. I hope so. Let's put together. Let's put these together frosty. A lot of pieces. All the parts out here. This I will not connect anything yet. I'm charging, and I will not throw the box away until I see that works. With my bad luck, I better wait. I really want to use now before I do my ironing, but it says that it takes 3 hours to be fully charged, so I guess I will just deal with the ironing right now. Oh god, I have a mess here. Are we going to clean all these? Yes, we need to clean all these. Let me get rid of all these first. I got carried away and I vacuumed all my house. I know it's working, so I put to charge more. It was fully charged, I believe. What do you say, Frosty? We will iron. You don't like when I iron, so okay. I will iron. Bye. I'll ironing done. My dog returned here. Only this one to put away, and I'll continue watching more videos and eat my leftover pizza. It is late, and honestly, I have not. This is my basket too. I need have some sewing to do, but I don't know. It's getting too dark, so maybe I will do it later or tomorrow. I ate the leftovers of my pizza. And now I will make some tea, watch some series, videos, or movie, and relax for the night. Thank you so much for watching and being with me. And I will see you tomorrow.